Exploring the phrase, on the summit, a guide to understanding and using it. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, on the summit. This is a phrase you might encounter in various contexts, and it's important for English language learners to understand its nuances. So, let's get started and explore what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations and writing. On the summit refers to being at the highest point of a mountain, hill, or similar geographical feature. It's often used literally to describe a physical location, but it can also be used metaphorically. When used literally, it conveys the idea of reaching the top of a physical elevation. Metaphorically, it implies reaching the peak of an achievement or endeavor. In its literal sense, on the summit is straightforward. It's often used in the context of mountain climbing, hiking, or describing geographical features. For example, the flag was planted on the summit of Mount Everest. Here, it indicates the physical location at the top of the mountain. Metaphorically, on the summit symbolizes achieving a high point in non-physical endeavors. This could be a career, personal goals, or any field of endeavor. For instance, after years of hard work, she stood on the summit of her professional career. This implies that she reached the peak of her professional achievements. One common mistake learners make is confusing on the summit with at the summit. Although similar, on the summit emphasizes being physically on top of the summit, while at the summit can be more general, indicating being near or around the summit area. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, on the summit, for you. Remember, whether used literally or metaphorically, it's all about reaching the highest point. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.